Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm creating a neon pop makeup look. So as for my eyeshadow base, I'm using the Demure palette from Sofwanah Cosmetics and taking the color Selfless, which is a light champagne tone that's perfect eye base. And moving on, I'm using the neon green palette from Huda Beauty to achieve the neon pop look. So the first three shades on top is the lime green shades, which I'll be working on my eyes throughout this video. And to give the eyes a little bit more pop of color, I'm dabbing the neon shade on my eyelids, just a quick pop. Now taking the darker lime green shade, I'll start off by applying them on the inner corners of my eyes. It takes time to build up the color, guys, so make sure to not rush through the process because it doesn't need to be neat. We can just clear off the fallouts later, but you just apply your desired application on your eyes. For my pink inner corner video, I used the concealer as a base so it sticks and the color would be more pigmented. But as for this look today, I felt like the green was so powerful and overpowering, so I didn't want to use the concealer, so I just apply them on the inner corners of my eyes, and as you guys can see, the color is really showing through and it's so beautiful and so pigmented. It's great to wear anywhere that you go. If you are like the person who really likes fashion, you just want to have a change in your look, this is the look, guys. For my lips, guys, I'm using the three different lip shade that will combine and make a beautiful shade end of the day. So I'm taking the Mahagony lip pencil from M.A.C Cosmetics and underlining my entire lip line and applying the entire shade of Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink under the shade of 75 Fighter, and this is a beautiful gorgeous brown orange shade which is perfect for the look that I'm going in for today. And the third step that I'm doing is definitely applying the lip oil because in general I really have very dry lips, so putting on a lip oil gives a glossy finish and it also helps to avoid any kind of breakage that my lips would look, because I really don't like when my lips look so dry. So the last thing I'm doing is, guys, to give myself a dewy glowy touch, I'm using the Drops of Gold highlighter from the Body Shop, and I'm applying them on the high points of my cheekbones. Last but not least, I'm using my favorite perfume called the DKNY Be Delicious perfume as my finished touch. I hope you guys enjoy my makeup videos, and if you do, subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!